this is Miss Mara and welcome back to my channel. The sponsor of today's video is EspressivoClub. Before we get into the details of this customizable leathery fashion, click that subscribe button. Turn on notifications by clicking that bell so that you know when I have new content and collabs like this coming out. I post a new video or live stream every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. I have 3 membership tiers here on YouTube. Go check those out after this video, as well as a second channel with educational videos and additional content. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter at Mara for daily news and juicy updates. EspressivoClub created the brand back in 2010. The name EspressivoClub appeared as a play on words to express yourself, your true self, while wearing their products, and to feel part of a community, a club, if you will, of like-minded people. EspressivoClub specializes in making bound hoods and fat-based masks, and they can confidently say that they create some of the best BDSM essentials on the market. They maintain one of the richest collections of leather masks and continue to develop their aesthetic with new models. EspressivoClub also hand makes women's lingerie and men's underwear from PVC, PU, and real leather, refined down to the detail so that they are not only fresh and fet looks, but also extremely comfortable to wear. In 2021, EspressivoClub launched a collection of leather spanking pedals and 2 lines of bondage gear made of PVC and real leather. Something that specifies and distinguishes their brand from mass products on the market is that they don't use glue, which is a common practice with leather products because it's fast and cheap. They sew along where others glue. Another remarkable feature of their products: tightening garments stitch by stitch for a fine, clean look of every item, heightening the quality while lasting longer. In the age of outsourced manufacturing, EspressivoClub is proud to say that they design and sew every single EspressivoClub product in-house in their atelier in Burgas, Bulgaria, in the EU. Owning an EspressivoClub item ensures you have a product that is 100% drawn and sewn without any gluing, tightened stitch by stitch, equipped with stainless steel, nickel-free hardware from selected high-quality leather. Let's see what they have sent me in the mail. First of all, can we actually take a second to appreciate the amount of attention that they give each of these pieces of clothing? Each of them is wrapped in a specific Espressivo labeled brand, but then also sealed in a plastic sheet so that in case of poor transport or it rains or whatever the case may be, your clothing is still protected. And they even have a branded sticker to seal the whole thing. First up, we have the leather crop top with metal zippers. Their vegan black leather crop top with its soft, shiny, and stretchy material is designed to accentuate the natural curves of your body, leaving you feeling sexy and confident. The metal zippers placed on both breasts add a daring touch, following for easy access to your most sensitive areas when you want to spice things up. The sensual combination of leather and metal is sure to awaken your deepest desires and ignite your passion. Next, we have the Breeches Jodhpurs leather pants. I've always wanted a pair of these. These women leather trousers have an attractive design and a provocative look. Traditional Jodhpurs are trousers specifically designed for riding, used by jockeys and polo players. With flared hip breeches, you could ride your ponies on a field, then have your subs take you shopping. Or take on the role of an officer extracting confessions using torture. In my case, I use it for training pets in strict disciplinarian manners. Inspired by the classic riding pants, EspressivoClub constructed these leather Jodhpurs from scratch, bringing the severe and restrained style of the 19th century into a provocative take on modern women's trousers. The cut they have created accentuates the beautiful curves of your butt by giving freedom to the hips and thighs, and tapers at the calf and ankle, allowing you to look strict and sexy at the same time. Made of thick but soft PU leather, these Jodhpur breeches shoes not only look irresistible, but are also extremely comfortable, whether you use them as leather pants in everyday life or as fete clothing for play. Crafted from specifically selected materials in their atelier, these Jodhpurs leather pants are a beautiful blend of Victorian modesty and contemporary elegance. With their unique look, these flared hip leather pants are an excellent addition to your wardrobe. Of course, I couldn't just make a video out of such a great outfit, but I also had to do a photo shoot, so that's what we did, renegade style.
Okay. Ready. Nice.
Lastly, we have two hoods to showcase. The first is the tight leather hood with open eyes and mouth made of real leather, making all boundaries fade away. Wrapping yourself in its thick layer of luxurious leather allows for you to forget about everything except for the moment ahead. The hood has an anatomical design following the lines of the head. The openings for the eyes and mouth are perfectly shaped for receiving the full pleasure of seeing and feeling your master or sub. Suitable for all genders, the hood can also be crafted with a ponytail tube. Note that the ponytail tube does not come with built-in artificial hair. It closes and adjusts to the head with a cord and 9 pairs of stainless nickel-free coated eyelets. The wide leather tongue on the back of the head provides complete insulation inside the mask, protects the hair from tangling, and shields the back of the head from rubbing against the ties. The tight real leather hood, open eyes, and mouth is standardly crafted without nose holes, but can be placed if requested. An option to purchase the hood in a bondage set with the leather blindfold and muffle gag is available, as you'll see next. The final hood we have for today is the full real leather bondage set in red BDSM ponytail hood and leather blindfold and muffle gag. It's the same thing as the previous hood, but with all of the additions and in red leather. Carefully designed tube for the hair has adjustable support, making the mask the perfect ponytail hood. It allows you to style your hair in various ways, but here's a tip. If you section off your ponytail with individual elastics, you will get an irresistible rope-like effect. Made from the best quality goat Napa leather, the hood's anatomical design follows the head's lines for a flawless fit. Dominant or submissive, you will feel flawless when wearing it. The openings for the eyes and mouth will allow you to see and sense all that is happening around you. I just want to say a huge thank you to my model Haskell Holland for being so genuine and just so easy to work with. We clicked the moment we met at a private party. And then I want to shout out to AV, who's always helping me film stuff and holding the photographer's lights and flash. And finally, a huge thank you to the purveyor on Fet Life, who made these photos possible. If you want, check out all of these photos on my social media and website, dominamara.com. I have behind the scenes footage on my OF as well as some outtakes on my Patreon. I'll link all the credits in the description box below. Absolutely breathtaking. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that others can learn more about EspressivoClub's beautiful leather apparel. Comment below on which look is your favorite. Tag EspressivoClub. I'll leave their information down in the description box below. And tag me at Mara Domina on Twitter to show me your new purchases. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. And until next time, be safe, have fun, and keep it kinky, everyone.
Can it do the? I tried to do like a figure eight. Yeah,
not perfectly.
Okay. How about circle?
You're like whipping it. That's pretty good. That's
yeah.
pretty good.
Okay, sick. It's